disaster this morning. My most favourite chicken. Even though they've got 3 other water bowls, she fell into the dog's water bowl. I didn't find her for a very long time. I don't know if she's going to live. I had to give her mouth to mouth. You ever given a chicken mouth to beak before? Okay. See her little legs moving. I'm hoping she's just really cold, and if I can warm her up, she'll get better. It's my most favourite chicken. I know. Story of my life. Can't deal with stress, so let's just give them all the stress in the world. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Hopefully she pulls through. Trying to warm her up. See a little leg. Poor thing.